Don't download Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Suite app before watching this. Before you download Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Suite, here's what most teams get wrong. It's not just an email marketing tool. At the enterprise level, Autopilot provides multi-channel automation, lead nurturing, and analytics, but only if implemented strategically. Step 1. Define campaign goals. Autopilot allows visual automation, email sequences, and journey tracking. Without clear objectives, automated messages can confuse prospects instead of converting them. Step 2. Design customer journeys. Enterprise users can create complex sequences across email, SMS, and in-app messaging. The surprising truth is, poorly structured journeys waste time and reduce engagement. Step 3. Integrate with CRM and analytics tools. Autopilot works best when connected to Salesforce, HubSpot, or similar platforms. Without integration, lead scoring and reporting will be incomplete. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Track opens, clicks, and conversions. Then refine automation. Teams that act on insights see higher engagement and ROI. The upside: proper use of Autopilot Enterprise can increase lead conversion by up to 35% and automate repetitive marketing tasks, freeing up team time for strategy. So should you download it? Yes, if your team can plan journeys, integrate systems, and monitor results. For small teams, simpler automation tools may suffice. Subscribe for more honest insights before committing to enterprise marketing suites.